Hi everyone, and welcome to video on the Python programming language. Python is one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world, and in this video, we're going to take a quick look at what makes it so great. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Why Python? So, why is Python so popular and widely used? Well, there are a few key reasons. First of all, Python is a very easy language to learn, especially if you're just starting out with programming. The syntax is straightforward and intuitive, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Second, Python is incredibly versatile. It's used for everything from web development and scientific computing, to data analysis and machine learning. No matter what kind of project you're working on, chances are, Python has the tools and libraries you need to get the job done. And finally, Python has a huge and supportive community of developers. There are countless resources available online, from tutorials and articles, to forums and Stack Overflow, to help you learn and troubleshoot. And if you ever run into a problem, there's a good chance someone has already solved it and is happy to help. Getting started with Python. So, how do you get started with Python? Well, the first step is to download and install the Python interpreter. You can do this for free from the Python website. Once you have the interpreter installed, you're ready to start writing and running Python code. If you're new to programming, a good place to start is with the basics. You can learn about variables, data types, and control structures like if statements and loops. Once you have a handle on the basics, you can start working on some simple projects, like a calculator or a basic web scraper. If you're looking to do more advanced work with Python, you'll want to learn about the various libraries and frameworks that are available. For example, if you're interested in web development, you might want to learn about Django or Flask. If you're interested in data analysis, you might want to learn about Pandas or NumPy. And if you're interested in machine learning, you might want to learn about TensorFlow or PyTorch. Real-world examples of Python in action. So, what are some real-world examples of Python in action? Well, one of the most popular applications of Python is for web development. Companies like Google, Dropbox, and Instagram all use Python for their web applications. Python is also a popular choice for scientific computing and data analysis. NASA, for example, uses Python for data analysis and visualization in their space missions. And researchers in fields like biology, physics, and economics use Python to process and analyze large amounts of data. Finally, Python is widely used in the field of machine learning. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook all use Python for their machine learning projects, and there are countless resources available to help you get started with machine learning in Python. So, that's it. That's a quick overview of the Python programming language and why it's so popular and widely used. Whether you're just starting out with programming, or you're a seasoned developer looking to try something new, Python is definitely worth checking out. So, why not give it a try and see what you can create with this powerful and versatile language? Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you're interested in learning more about Python, be sure to check out some of the resources I mentioned in the video. So, until next time, happy coding!